The first payments from the expanded child care credit will be sent on July 15th. This is part of the American Rescue Plan Act.
For more about this tax credit and what parents need to do, we're joined by Jeff Harlow, who's a partner at Wipfli. Thank you so much for being here. So, great news, more money available at younger ages. Tell people what they need to do, because it doesn't necessarily happen automatically, and you might be able to get the money early.
Yeah, one of the really significant parts of this provision is that it calls for advance payments to be made. Normally, if there's a change to the 2021 taxes, you have to wait until April of 2022 before you get your money. In this case, you start getting money on July 15th, and it gets paid monthly throughout the year. So it's a big deal. To get the money, if you filed a 2019 or a 2020 tax return, the IRS has the information that it needs to determine whether or not you qualify. If you don't need to file a tax return, there is a place you can go to on the IRS website. It's very easy to find. Even I could find it. Go to www.irs.gov, click on one of the main bullets, which is for child credit, and you can enter information that tells the IRS that you're eligible for the credit.
So, Jeff, let's run through who is eligible and how much they can expect.
Okay, Ben. Basically, the credit applies to qualified children, basically kids that you can claim as a dependent on your tax return. And what's a big deal about this is there was a credit previously. It was $2,000 per child. It increased to $3,600 per child for kids under age 6, and then it increased to $3,000 per child for kids ages 6 to 17. So we're seeing a really significant increase there. Another really key provision that helps a lot of people is that the credit is fully refundable. Now, what that means is that if you owe zero tax, you still get the credit. If the credit's non-refundable, if I don't owe any tax, I don't get any credit. So this is going to help a lot of people with children, that in most cases can really use the help.
But you do have to be careful not to overestimate, because if you take the money early and you overestimate what you're owed, you got to pay it back, right?
Dina, that's a great point. Basically, because there's a phase out that applies for a married couple filing a joint return starting at $140,000 of income, if you were affected by the pandemic and your 2020 income was unusually low, but in 2021 things are going to get back to normal and your income is going to be above the phase-out range, yeah, if you take the advance payments, you're going to have to pay it back with a return, which for most people is not a really good thing. So you'll be able to, beginning July 1st, go to the IRS website and opt not to receive the advance payments on the credit. So
when the Biden administration first pushed this, they said that it could cut child poverty by more than half, lift 5 million kids out of poverty. I don't want you to, I hate to ask you to fact check politicians here, but talk just a little bit about, kind of cause and effect, what the government is hoping to achieve by expanding this child credit.
Well, I'm a CPA, not an economist. I can't really comment on, how many people are going to be raised out of poverty, but it is clear that this is going to get a fair amount of money, certainly more than would have been the case under prior law, into the hands of families with young children. Somebody like me, I've got 3 adult kids, doesn't affect me at all, but families with young children whose incomes are at the lower end of the spectrum, it could be a really significant benefit to them, and especially now as the economy is still trying to get back in sync, it could put money into the system, perhaps.
Yeah, after pandemic, it certainly will be helpful for a lot of folks. Jeff Harlow from Wipfli, thank you so much for kind of putting this all in perspective for us.
Thank you very much for having me.
Thank you.